This map is so confusing. I feel like I have been walking for hours. The Crystal Lake should be this way. I think I am completely lost. Lost, are you? Need some help? Whoa, who are you? I am Finnegan, the best guide in this forest. Nice to meet you, Finnegan. I am Elara. Actually, I am lost. Could you tell me how to get to the Crystal Lake? The Crystal Lake? That is quite far. Is it within walking distance? Yes, but the path is complicated. First, go straight down this path. But you cannot pass without greeting the Old Tree Spirit. A tree spirit? Follow me. I will introduce you. Thank you, Finnegan. This forest is truly beautiful. We are here. That over there is Bramble.
Who is it? Who disturbs my slumber?
Excuse me, Mr. Bramble. May I ask for directions?
A polite human. Where do you wish to go?
I am looking for the Crystal Lake.
Crystal Lake? That is simple. Go past the whispering mushrooms.
Go past the whispering mushrooms? Okay.
Then turn left when you see the Blue River.
Turn left at the Blue River.
Finally, go through the glowing cave.
Wait, go through the glowing cave? Finnegan, is there a problem? It is dark and scary in there.
Do not be afraid. Have courage.
Is there a safer way?
There might be, but I do not know it.
I understand. Thank you very much. Let's go, Finnegan. Wait, someone is flying towards us. Hello, traveler. Wow, a fairy. I am Liora. You seem to be in trouble. Yes, I want to go to the Crystal Lake. But I am a little scared to go through the cave. I know a shortcut. Really? That is wonderful. Just go over the hill and go straight. Is it far from him? No, it is only a 10-minute walk. That is very helpful. I will guide you. Thank you, Liora. Yay! We do not have to go to the cave. Now, do you see that big rainbow? Yes, I see it. The lake is right beneath it. We finally made it! Thank you, everyone! Now it is time for today's review. We will learn English for asking directions today. First, when you want to talk to someone, excuse me. This is a very important phrase. Next, the phrase to ask for directions. How do I get to the Crystal Lake? You can use it anywhere by changing the location name. For example, how do I get to the station? Correct. Next, when asking about distance. Is it far? And the words for specific directions. Go straight. Turn right. Turn left. Perfect, Finnegan. I will not get lost anymore. Everyone, please try using these when you travel. Be brave and ask. Well then, see you in the next lesson. See you later.